Namaste. We know many different methods of worshipping Krishna. There are so many cults or different ways in Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma or Vedic Dharma that we worship Krishna. So according to one Upanishad, which is based on Atharva Veda, this is what they mention. So name of the Upanishad is Gopala Purvata Pinyopanishad. And there are many shlokas. I am just summarizing main points. First of all, the name Krishna. What does it mean? So Krush is authority and Na is joy. So the one who has authority over joy is Krishna. And then they talk about or they describe Krishna, form of Krishna to meditate upon. Actually, meditation is not a good word. I would say dhyana. So for dhyana, we create a form. And which form? So they mention Krishna who is in his youth and who is under Kalpa Vruksha, a tree, a special tree which gives boon to whoever wishes to ask. It is called Kalpa Vruksha. So he is beside that Kalpa Vruksha and his eyes are like white lilies, open white lilies. His body has complexion of clouds, dark cloud, shyam. And his clothes are pitambar. Pitambar is yellowish. And vidyut meaning like electricity, means sparkling pitambar, sparkling yellow. And his arms or his hands are in Jnana Mudra, meaning this mudra. And he is wearing a garland. It's called Vanamala. He is wearing garland made up of seeds and flowers found in Vrindavana. And he is accompanied with many of his friends, Gop and Gopio. Gop is cow-haired boys and Gopi means cow-haired girls. And they all are beneath Kalpa Vruksha, the tree. And Kalindi, which is Yamuna river. There is a breeze coming from that Yamuna river and it's kind of kissing all of them. So this is how Krishna is mentioned to meditate upon, to do dhyana. And for mantra japa, this is the shloka or the mantra. Aum Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Swaha Aum. So it is 18 character mantra which has Om Samputa. Samputa meaning before and after the mantra we put Om. So Om Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Swaha. And all these letters or the words have some significance. First of all, they describe yantra. So let's go through that first. So how this yantra is made. So on a piece of paper, on metal or wood, just create a lotus with 8 petals. And inside that lotus, make 2 triangles opposite to each other. So it creates 6 angles. In every angle, write Klim Krishnaya Namah, meaning every letter of this mantra, Klim Krishnaya Namah, write in all these 6 angles. And then Kama Gayatri, which is Kama Devaya Vidmahe Pushpa Banaya Dhimahi Tanno Anangaha Prachodaya. This mantra has to be chanted along with Brahma mantra or Gopala Vidya mantra, which is Om Klem Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Swaha Om. And let's understand the meaning, not meaning, but significance of all the letters and words of that mantra, Gopala Vidya or Brahma Mantra, which is Ka creates water, La creates earth, E creates fire, and the dot on top above creates moon, and collection of all these letters, Klim, creates sun. Krishnaya creates space, and space creates air. Govindaya creates Kamadhenu, a cow that fulfills all the wishes. And Ved, all the Vedas and other knowledge is also created from Govindaya. Then Gopijana Vallabhaya creates all the males and females, not only humans but all the animals, creatures. Then Swaha, Swaha creates animate, inanimate, movable, stable universe. And also from Klim, first element, earth element is created. Krishnaya, second word which creates liquid. Third, Govindaya creates Tej, fire. Gopijana Vallabhaya creates air, Vayu. And Swaha creates space, Akasha Tattva. Now they mention the shlokas for Stuti. Stuti means prayer, praise and prayer. Tamekam Govindam Satchidananda Vigraham Panchapadam Vrindavana Sura Bhuru Hata Lasinam Satatam Samarudgano Aham Paramaya Stutya Toshayami. Om Namo Vishwa Swarupaya Vishwa Sthityanta Hetave Vishweswaraya Vishwaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Vijnana Rupaya Paramananda Rupine Krishnaya Gopinathaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namaha Kamala Netraya Namaha Kamala Maline Namaha Kamala Nabhaya Kamala Pataye Namaha. Barha Pida Bhi Ramaya Ramaya Kuntha Medase Rama Manasa Hansaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Kansa Vansha Vinashaya Keshi Chanura Ghatine Vrishabhadvaja Vandhyaya Partha Sarathaye Namaha. Venuvadana Shilaya Gopalaya Hi Mardine Kalindi Kula Lolaya Lola Kundala Dharine Vallavi Vadanam Bhoja Maline Nrutta Shaline Namaha Pranata Palaya Shri Krishnaya Namo Namaha. Namaha Papa Pranashaya Govardhana Dharaya Cha Putana Jivitantaya Trunavarta Suharine Nishkalaya Vimohaya Shuddhaya Shuddha Vairine Advitiyaya Mahate Shri Krishnaya Namo Namaha. Prasida Paramananda Prasida Parameshwara Adi Vyadhi Bhujangena Dashtam Mamuddhara Prabhu. Shri Krishna Rukmini Kanta Gopijana Manohara Sansara Sagare Magna Mamuddhara Jagat Guru. Keshava Kalesha Harana Narayana Janardana Govinda Paramananda Mam Samuddhara Madhava. So this is a stuti, the stuti mentioned in this Upanishad. And I'll write all this text in different slides and will attach with this video so that you can follow it. Astu.